In today's video, we have a new inverter system, a Victron Blue Power MultiPlus 48 volts, 3000 VA, 35 amps, 230 volts AC. This can be used in different applications here. Yeah, you can see on this side what we can use it for: marine, mobile, off-grid, solar, industry, telecommunication, backup power, and renewable energy. It's made by that company. It's from the Netherlands. Okay. Like and subscribe, JW Solar USA. So let's go and open up this guy. Now we have the system out, and came from Lithium Upgrade. This is where I bought it from, Lithium Upgrade. This is the packaging, and here goes the manual and the back plate to mount this system. So when I bought the system, I asked Lithium Upgrade to upgrade my firmware before sending the device. There's the temperature sensor right here. There's the fan. These are the terminals where the knockouts where you pass in some of your cabling, the AC side, and here is the DC side. You can see it has a double terminals there, 2 negatives, 2 positives. So here's the ground right here. So let's look at it. This is not like these guys here. This is a MultiPlus 2. MultiPlus, what is the MultiPlus 2? These ones are different from the other one I just showed you. So we have the Victrons here. Okay guys, this is the plan, and I just did a rough mounting. Set this thing, but I'm gonna put some bushings. You guys know me for my rubber bushings always, so I'm gonna see if I have more of these. I have to mount this thing off from this heavy-duty plexi, like this one as well, so we can have a massive airflow on the bottom. So we have solar charge controller with a Bluetooth capability, MPPT 15085 TR VCAN. So we're gonna add another communication here, which gonna be the Servo GX, the Servo the GXS model, just like this guy here, the Servo the GXS, the S model. It doesn't have the thing for the temperature sensors right here, so that one doesn't have it. If you're not gonna use a VCAN of these functions for BMS, you don't need that at all. So I'm just gonna install that, and I'm gonna be installing the touch screen, the display model. So this is the 50, and we might put a 70 or 50 on it. So guys, this is the plan. We want to make sure this install is gonna be a successful one right here at the JW Solar, like we always do it. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned as I keep installing. Okay guys, now we already mounted the system, and this is the only way I can able to get it in vertical. I was gonna do it horizontal this way. It seems like gonna take more room. For down here, we're gonna be doing like the conduit or the cable management, so we don't have enough spot right here if I put it horizontal. So it's gonna be only like this to here, approximately 3-4 inches. See, so I decided to go vertical, but I can't come all the way up here due to space. It's a tight fit. It's a 10 inches exactly from just this inverter. You see that? Is exactly 10 inches. So that's I have to play with to get the numbers I need for the install. I have to get this guy in between the grooves right here. I got a space between them, so the other one on the corner right there, see there's a hole right there. I didn't even screw it, but it's underneath the inverter, so it's not going anywhere. It's not shaking, nothing, so I can get the exact width. So, and I decided to bolt the inverter, even though I used the mounting bracket at the top here. So we have space here for airflow. So right there, so airflow, and the transformer, it has two transformers, one here and one on the other side right here. So let's open up this inverter so you can see exactly what is inside. So these are the electronics, the boards and everything, and you have two terminals. You can move around a little bit, excuse me for the shake. You can see a transformer right there, like a turret, and there's another one right here. It's left and right. So I was gonna take this charge controller all the way up here, not knowing that the transformers on the side, I thought is like this guy right here, the MultiPlus 2, they're sitting right in the center. Okay, right in the center. Not knowing that these guys only have the transformer on the sides, and there's a huge fan. So there's a bunch of ribbon cables. Is a switch right here. One of my inverters is a 24 volt 2 or 3, I think it's a 3000 VA. So this one is the one that is broken. I don't know if you guys, anybody have an idea where I can get this stuff or the entire board. I made a video of that before. The entire board, then I can have these things, and one of these lights are broken. This is easy to fix. So through the shipment and everything get messed up. So here, the AC in, bring your wires here for the grid or generator, and here is the AC out. Line 1, neutral, line 2. JW Solar USA, thanks for watching. Love you guys all, and stay tuned for more to come live from the channel. So far so good. This is the progress we've made. This is the inside of the inverter. Alright, so we got the wire added for the DC part, the positive and negative. So I think I'm gonna be using the Lynx distributor so I can get a clean install. I think I'll do that. I don't like this wire gonna be almost coming down towards the fan right here. I don't know if I have to move this black wire to here so it can come through down here. So that's how I want to do it. Or I can get the wires go this way, kink the wires, stay away from the fan. So the links distributor is gonna be like down here. Get him and gets the battery side on this here, from here, and go to the links distributor. And I'm gonna set up the Servo GX here with a display, so I can have a clean setup and put a trunk in right here, so I can able to remotely see this thing through this communication port right here. So we're gonna put back the cover in and call it a day. Here at the command center, the JW Solar USA, we just install or put together another Victron equipment here. It's fun, though it's a lot of money. Alright folks, the cover is back in, and it tells you this inverter you can parallel, you can stack. It's 3 of these you have to put together to give you 9,000 VA. You can stack. It has a transfer capacity of 16 amps, 230 volts. You have a power assistant. You have a sine wave inverter, parallel connection. You can do a 3-phase compatibility. So you have the inverter up here is on, in the middle is off, at the bottom is charge only. I'm scared of this button. I don't like it. So if you have someone who's really rough, they can ruin this machine for you really quick. Yeah, kind of flimsy. I don't like it. You have to be patient, you know. Get the inverter. My MultiPlus compact something, whatever it's called, the little one, it has a power saving mode. So I don't like this button at all. So the inverter, you get a charging. If you're charging here, if you're inverting, it's gonna tell you inverter on, overload, battery low, temperature.